Gearbest, hello, I'm your customer from Russians. My name is Serdar. I have a problem. I bought the item from you. Here it's HDMI splitter and it didn't work. It's video. Now I will show you. See my monitor now. Here is an HDMI for monitor. Yeah. I need to switch on the computer first. Oh, great. Now. Okay, now sim open. Oops, yes. Then the TV, now it's HDMI from TV. Oops, yep. Now need to check TV. HDMI 2. Yep, see, it's working. The both is worked. Now I'm trying to use this item, the HDMI splitter. Okay. Op. Now going to switch this on. Yes. Then I can't do it with one hand. Okay, let's try to do something like this. Oh, and second one. Up. See, up, computer working great, and monitor is no reacting, no working. TV also is not working. HDMI 2, and it says check the signal cable. It's not working, so I want my money back. Gearbest. Bye.